My son Julian's an actor. During the election campaign, he did a rant on Lansdowne Park, and he finished by saying, "Vote for Clive, he'll treat you like family." I would have, and I will. My last message to my family is very simple. Don't let them privatize Lansdowne Park. Let's keep that public space public, and we can. There's the Lansdowne Park Conservancy, which delivers a stadium for $46 million versus $200 million from the Lansdowne Live people. Let's make the new council consider the Lansdowne Park Conservancy. The other thing I want you to consider is donating to the Friends of Lansdowne Legal Challenge. You know, when City Council refuses to respect its own procurement bylaws, refuses to respect its own motions, there's only one recourse: take them to court. We don't need another mall at Lansdowne Park. There's lots of malls in Ottawa. We need a wonderful gathering place, as it has been in the past and can be again, for our children, our grandchildren, our great-grandchildren. Let's make sure that happens. I love you all. Take care.